How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to my gardening habit. Today I'd like to introduce you to one of my favorite plants. This is a jade plant, specifically the variety Crassula Mantruosa, known by a couple different names including Gollum Jade and one of our favorites, Shrek Ears. It's native to South Africa and Mozambique. This plant in particular is about 4 to 5 years old. And today we're going to give it a really good trim. This will be the first time that I've aggressively trimmed it like this. Most probably wouldn't consider it very aggressive. I'm not going to, take it all the way down to the base. I'm really just trying to take some of the extra weight off. You can see as I'm going around checking to see if we have any loose leaves on it, that the tree itself is pretty flimsy, pretty flexible. Maybe flimsy isn't the best word for it. It's definitely flexible, but it seems pretty resilient. I have never had like a big branch break off, but as big as this thing's been getting, I've been kind of getting a little bit worried about that, and I wanted to clean it up a little bit, get some cuttings off of it to propagate more, and also get the opportunity to get in and aggressively go after the mealybug infestation that has been kind of constantly plaguing this plant. They've never really, I can't say decimated the plant and gotten it so weak that it, was at the brink, but mealybugs and aphids, they really like to get at the most tender growth. So as the brand new leaves are starting to pop up, they really like to get into the little crevices in there and keep on sucking the juice out of the plant, which makes it kind of tough to get at them with, most sprays and everything, which I've also found that a lot of them don't really work that well. Recently, our friend Lieutenant Dan's Plants over on TikTok recently got us to start adding in a 70% isopropyl alcohol water mix that we sprayed directly onto the plant and also onto the head of this paintbrush that I found is one of the best ways to combat mealybugs. They're a very soft body insect, and just the pressure that they get, the damage that the soft bristles of this paintbrush can do to them, just pretty much devastates them. So that plus the alcohol to kind of take care of any eggs that are left over or any of them that might be slightly damaged but not done through, definitely seems to be helping out. I find that most of my successful propagations have come from direct soil propagation, and up until recently I've never even messed around with rooting hormone. Most of the stuff that you'll see around my greenhouse is all done without it, but a little research has shown that this stuff might just kind of help out a little bit. It's not like a guaranteed thing. It's not always going to spur roots to pop out of any plant, but I guess it's supposed to mimic the natural acids that the plant produces that would promote rooting after cutting. So I figure, what the heck, I'll dip them all in this one and see what we get. If you enjoyed this video, let us know in the comments. Also, let us know if you have any tips for care of these plants, or if you'd like to see us make a video of some other plant that we have. And if you'd really like to help support my gardening habit, do us a favor and hit that subscribe button and the bell icon for notifications so that you get updates on these propagations and other videos that we have coming up. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.